Welcome to Sign Your Doc. Hello everyone, I'm Kisan from Sign Your Doc. Please subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the latest information and update on time. In this video, we will discuss how to create Contact Us Google Form. To create a Google Form, open your browser and search for Google Forms. Open first website. After that, click on Go to Forms option. Here you can find many pre-built templates. And you can find here contact information form. Open that form. Here you can find pre-built contact information form. You can edit this form as your requirement. If you want to edit the questions, just click on that question name and add it as your requirement. If you want to change answer type, then you can change from here. If you want to make this question mandatory, then you can select from here. If you want to add any questions, then click on plus icon from here and you can add any type of question from here. Enter your question here that you want to enter. And select your answer type that you want to required. So that's how you can create the Contact Us form. You can find extra settings from here. If you want to change the theme of Contact Us form, then you can change theme from here. You can select any type of theme. If you want to change the image, then you can change from here. You can select any type of image if you want. I'm going to select this. Then click on Insert. As you can see, the image is successfully changed. That's how you can change the Contact Us form image. If you want to change the background color, then you can find option from here. You can select any type of color. If you want to change the font size of form, then you can change from here. You can select any type of font and you can apply. I'm going to select this. So that's how you can edit this form. To send this form, you can find send option here. If you want to send this form on mail, then you can enter your mail ID here and you can send the email. If you want the URL of the form, then you can find here. You can sort this URL from here and copy this URL and you can open or send anywhere. If you want to add this form on your website, then you can find HTML code from here. Copy this code and add to your website, and then you can successfully add this form on your website and you can use this form. So that's how you can create Contact Us form and you can use this form. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the latest information and update on time. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.